For top and side terminals, easily clean and maintain your battery's top or side terminals and posts. Chrome brush. Stiff metal bristle brush offers reliable cleaning power for removing tough buildup and dirt. Dynamic use. Use on compatible vehicle and marine batteries on both positive and negative terminals. Simple operation. Remove cap and extend the brush head or press the brush hood over the terminal post for easy cleaning. Compact size. Small size for easy storage in a toolbox or glove compartment. Ensure your battery is operating at peak performance with the Schumacher BAF-B1 terminal cleaning brush. Featuring a durable, compact metal case, this pocket-sized brush includes stiff chrome bristles that easily remove dirt, grime, and buildup. To use, simply remove the cap and extend brush for detail work or place the brush hood over the terminal and twist side to side or up and down for leveraged cleaning power. Safe for use on both positive and negative terminal posts. Top reviews from the United States. Una herramienta que te dos de buen tener. Es muy prácticas y muy eficiente, limpia los terminales y los postes de la batería muy bien y sin hacer mucho esfuerzo, tiene un tamaño compacto y una excelente calidad en las cerdas de metal.